Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart English Speaking, the podcast that helps you speak English with more confidence every single day.
That's right. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emily.
And today we are talking about daily vocabulary.
Yes, the words you actually use every day, not the fancy, complicated words you'll never say in real life, but the real, practical, useful vocabulary that will make you sound natural and confident.
Exactly, Emily. So if you're a beginner or maybe an intermediate learner who wants to polish your everyday English, this episode is perfect for you.
Grab a coffee, grab a notebook if you want to take notes, and let's get started.
Let's do it. Okay, Leo, let's start where every day starts. The morning. My favorite topic. Mornings are rough for me, honestly.
Same here. So let's learn some vocabulary about mornings. First word, wake up.
Wake up. W-A-K-E. Wake up. This means to stop sleeping.
Right. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
But be careful, there's a difference between wake up and get up.
Ooh, good point. Explain that, Leo.
So wake up means your eyes open, your brain turns on, but you might still be lying in bed.
Guilty.
And get up means you actually leave the bed, you stand up.
So the sentence would be, I woke up at 7, but I didn't get up until 7:30.
Perfect example. See, this is the kind of small detail that makes your English sound natural, not just correct.
Next word, stretch.
Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. This is when you extend your arms and legs, usually right after waking up.
Every morning, I stretch for 5 minutes before I get out of bed.
Great sentence. Let's do one more. Get ready.
This is a phrase, not just one word. It means to prepare yourself, brushing your teeth, taking a shower, putting on clothes.
I need 30 minutes to get ready in the morning.
Perfect. Okay, let's pause here. Repeat after us, everyone. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Stretch. Stretch.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Beautiful. You're already learning 4 new expressions and we've only just started.
All right, next step of the morning, breakfast.
I love this topic. Okay, first word, grab a bite.
Ooh, that's a fun one. Grab a bite means to eat something quickly, usually something small.
For example, I don't have time for a big breakfast, so I'll just grab a bite before work.
Nice. Next, skip breakfast.
This means not eating breakfast at all.
Right. I was late this morning, so I had to skip breakfast.
Skipping breakfast is not healthy, by the way, but sometimes life happens.
True. Okay, next word, leftovers.
Leftovers. This means the food that remains after a meal.
I had pizza for dinner, so I ate the leftovers for breakfast.
Classic. Let's add one more. Craving.
A craving is a strong desire for something, usually food.
I have a craving for pancakes this morning.
So good. Okay, quick recap. Repeat with us. Grab a bite. Grab a bite.
Skip breakfast.
Skip breakfast.
Leftovers.
Leftovers.
Craving.
Craving.
Excellent work, everyone.
Okay, now let's talk about getting to work or school. The commute.
Yes, the daily struggle. First word, commute.
A commute is the journey you take to get to work or school.
My commute takes about 45 minutes by train.
Next, rush hour.
This is the busiest time of day for traffic, usually early morning and late afternoon.
I hate driving during rush hour. The roads are so crowded.
Painfully accurate. Next word, running late.
This means you are behind schedule. You're going to arrive later than planned.
I'm running late. I need to leave right now.
We've all said that sentence at least once this week, right?
Every single day. Next, on time.
This means arriving exactly when you're supposed to, not early, not late.
I try to arrive on time for every meeting.
Perfect. Now let's move into work vocabulary. First word, deadline.
A deadline is the date or time when something must be finished.
My report deadline is this Friday.
Stressful but useful word. Next, multitask.
This means doing more than one task at the same time.
I'm trying to multitask, answering emails while eating lunch.
Very modern life, honestly. Next, take a break.
This means to stop working for a short time to rest.
I need to take a break. I've been working for 3 hours straight.
All right, let's practice these words together.
Repeat after us.
Commute,
Commute,
rush hour,
rush hour,
running late,
running late,
on time,
on time,
deadline,
deadline,
multitask,
multitask,
take a break.
take a break.
Amazing, you're building real, useful vocabulary right now.
Okay, let's continue our day. After work, many of us go shopping or run errands.
Yes, first word, run errands.
This means doing small tasks outside the house, like going to the bank, the pharmacy, or the grocery store.
I need to run errands after work today. I have to go to the post office and the pharmacy.
Next word, grocery shopping.
This means buying food and household items.
I usually do my grocery shopping on Sundays.
Next, on sale.
This means the price of something is reduced, cheaper than usual.
These shoes are on sale today, 30% off.
I love this phrase. Next, worth it.
This means something is valuable enough for the price or effort.
The ticket was expensive, but the concert was totally worth it.
Beautiful sentence. Now let's move into evening vocabulary. First word, unwind.
This means to relax after a stressful day.
I like to unwind by watching a movie in the evening.
Next, wind down.
Similar meaning, to slowly relax before going to sleep.
I usually wind down by reading a book before bed.
Last word for this segment, turn in.
This is a casual way to say go to bed.
I'm exhausted. I think I'll turn in early tonight.
Great. Let's do a quick repeat round.
Run errands.
Run errands.
Grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping.
On sale.
On sale.
Worth it.
Worth it.
Unwind.
Unwind.
Wind down.
Wind down.
Turn in.
Turn in.
Fantastic work, everyone. Look how much vocabulary you've learned already in one episode.
Now, let's talk about something native speakers love. Small talk about the weather.
Haha, so true. It's basically a national sport in English-speaking countries.
First phrase, it's freezing.
This means it's extremely cold.
Wear a jacket. It's freezing outside today.
Next, it's boiling.
This means it's extremely hot.
Turn on the fan. It's boiling in here.
Next, pouring rain.
This means heavy, strong rain.
Bring an umbrella. It's pouring rain outside.
Next, mild weather.
This means the weather is comfortable, not too hot, not too cold.
The weather has been really mild this week, perfect for walking.
Beautiful. Now, small talk phrases. First, how's it going?
A casual way to ask, how are you?
Next, not much. You?
A common casual response when someone asks what you're doing.
And finally, take care.
A warm way to say goodbye.
Perfect for ending a conversation politely. Let's repeat these together.
It's freezing.
It's freezing.
It's boiling.
It's boiling.
Pouring rain.
Pouring rain.
Mild weather.
Mild weather.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Take care.
Take care. All right, now let's put everything together with a short role play. Leo, you ready?
Born ready. Let's do it.
Hey, Leo, how's it going?
Hey, Emily. Not much, just running errands. It's freezing outside today.
I know. I almost skipped breakfast because I woke up so late.
Haha, same's here. I'm running late for work too.
My commute during rush hour is always so stressful.
I totally understand. I feel overwhelmed already, and it's only 9 in the morning.
Don't worry, just take a break when you can. Maybe grab a bite at lunch and unwind a little.
That's a great idea. Okay, I need to go. Take care, Leo.
You too. See you later.
See what we did there? We used almost every single word from today's episode in one natural conversation.
Exactly. This is how real English sounds. Casual, warm, and full of everyday vocabulary.
Try creating your own short conversation using these words. Say it out loud, even if you're alone.
All right, before we wrap up, let's do a full recap of everything we learned today.
Great idea. Let's go through it category by category.
Morning vocabulary. Wake up, stretch, get ready.
Breakfast vocabulary. Grab a bite, skip breakfast, leftovers, craving.
Commute and work vocabulary. Commute, rush hour, running late, on time, deadline, multitask, take a break.
Emotions vocabulary. Overwhelmed, exhausted, thrilled, nervous, relieved, frustrated.
Shopping and evening vocabulary. Run errands, grocery shopping, on sale, worth it, unwind, wind down, turn in.
And weather and small talk. It's freezing, it's boiling, pouring rain, mild weather, how's it going, take care.
Wow, that's over 30 new words and phrases in one episode.
And the best part? These aren't random words. They're words you'll actually use every single day.
Exactly. Vocabulary only helps you if you actually use it. So don't just listen, practice speaking these words out loud today.
Before we finish, I want to say something important to all our listeners.
Go ahead, Emily.
Learning English is not a race. Some days you'll feel confident and some days you'll feel frustrated, and that's completely normal.
Absolutely. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal isn't perfection, it's communication.
Exactly. Every new word you learn, every sentence you practice out loud is one more step towards speaking with confidence. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying, and trying means you're improving. Beautifully said, Leo. So here's your homework for today. Pick 3 new words from this episode and use each one in a real sentence about your own life. Say it out loud, write it down, or even send it to a friend. The more you use it, the more it becomes part of your natural vocabulary. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Smart English Speaking so you never miss a new episode. We upload new episodes regularly, packed with vocabulary, pronunciation tips, and real conversation practice, all designed to help you speak English naturally and confidently. Leave a comment below and tell us which word from today's episode was new for you. We'd love to hear from you, and if you have topic requests for future episodes, let us know in the comments too. Thank you so much for listening today, and remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to fluent, confident English. This has been Emily and Leo from Smart English Speaking. See you in the next episode.